Thank you value for money crank and me say I deal with me down my channel be sim team say me ready about your debt now echo sure na me say ti I deal with in a way because me kai me ko hu ye e wo hin na deal with akwa brade akwa father say abula say hey na sabi America krom kwan yo mbezui we fa pa ni kibewura bo kanche kwan no so ara say tell edikana ya boro he enkokon nkitenkete de ekoye yi ebede ne kanu emballoon waste of money ye waste sika kwa enkokon nkitenkete waste of he omusha enkokon nkitenkete asema e ba metim na me say planting for food and jobs enkwase aka e bo yen he afei ubehu na cars no etwifuna daka ekwaye planting for food and jobs it was waste. Ideas, implementation, everything was wrong. Bibiara bomb. Everything was bomb about it. I don't matter now. And from planting for food and jobs to unkokon getting. And yet ye cray num. And a bibia in CBM and no case die. Say any vision as of mine. Na yenyina fa and turn to that vision. Na baba your campaign or your campaign or manifesto should be centered around Sanyamana. Yabekwa basao. Cause obi aba person ye bibi foforo. Ade foforo no ye no so emfa twi bibi papa bi abene. Na wo de ya bon kranka agreke o say ye problem. Afei de ye kwa battle between Burkina Faso and Ghana. Yabema mkosu amoma and tomatoes. Na Burkina Faso timi bodwegu Ghana so na omutimi Burkina Faso bodwegu Ghana so say ya to your borders ya mamme tomatoes me fa tomatoes because ye be factory na ye nam na lala sulala na nkokurafo ni mirafo ni nyina akwa abrante young boy na chew tenya adwuma honam ne bre Bibia bre. Oh, seriously. Now, ya kwana yenhwe we no. Yes, and rap parliament bi. Na enra de akoko so no. You why ready ayenko. Me baba beka ho asem ezo.
And advancing
the palace,
the public interest.
The way it is. Secondly, to consummate the process of the amendments or review of the Dagbon Constitution of 1930. And number 3, to also ensure that we'll have a very smooth transition from his time to the next Yana so that we can consummate the unity and peace within the Dagbon state. Mr. Speaker, I want to make a passionate appeal that in memory of Ndanyana Abukari II, we named the Tamale Teaching Hospital, TTH, after him. Mr. Speaker, he's been Yana for just 7 years, but it's as if he has been Yana for close to 40 years. The impact is incalculable. Mr. Speaker, to remind future generations what the Yana stood for, we need to do something like this for him. We need to pay compliments to His Excellency President John Ajay Kumkukvo, who set up the Council of Eminent Chiefs. We pay tributes to His Excellency Jonathan Mills, Nana Dodankwa Akufo-Addo.
Mr. Speaker, indicates that the site covering approximately 63 acres situated in Ajakra is.
All right, I'll pay you. You are messing the videos up. Yanko, doctors, Slim Sai eho. Na with Chama would you mean some no? Baby, Drew. Baby, so would see now the clear picture of what is coming. Then run me minority, dear. Baby, so the deputy minister for Justice and then Attorney General. The Attorney General and Deputy Minister for Justice, so Dr. Simsai and Koma Odiye, and so Efa Chamawun to me, Edian Yanko Hemra.
Most of the evidence that we have, the pieces of evidence that we have, which the judge relied on, came from their defense. defense witnesses, the accused person's own comments, his own witness statement, his own police statement. Those were the materials that formed the basis for the conclusion of the judgment. So it will be it is shocking to me, but that they would say is political persecution. But I understand what we do. This is politics in a way. I mean, what they are doing is politics, and they issued that statement, or they had a press conference when they have not even seen. They had not seen the judgment. So do you expect them, now that they've seen the judgment, they will go back and say what we said was wrong? They would never do that. They would rather double down and say things. But so far, I don't think anyone has pointed to any aspect of the judgment that they believe strongly that is so erroneous. Most of the evidence that we have, the pieces of evidence that we have, which the judge relied on, came from their defense. Defense witnesses, the accused person's own comments, his own witness statement, his own police statement. Those were the materials that formed the basis for the conclusion of the judgment. So it will be it is shocking to me, but that they would say is political persecution. But I understand what we do. This is politics in a way. I mean, what they are doing is politics, and they issued that statement, or they had a press conference when they have not even seen. They had not seen the judgment. So do you expect them, now that they've seen the judgment, they will go back and say what we said was wrong? They would never do that. They would rather double down and say things. But so far, I don't think anyone has pointed to any aspect of the judgment that they believe strongly that is so erroneous. Most of the evidence that we have, the pieces of evidence that we have, which the judge relied on, came from their defense. Defense witnesses, the accused person's own comments, his own witness statement, his own police statement. Those were the materials that formed the basis for the conclusion of the judgment. So it will be it is shocking to me, but that they would say is political persecution. But I understand what we do. This is politics in a way. I mean, what they are doing is politics, and they issued that statement, or they had a press conference when they have not even seen. They had not seen the judgment. So do you expect them, now that they've seen the judgment, they will go back and say what we said was wrong? They would never do that. They would rather double down and say things. But so far, I don't think anyone has pointed to any aspect of the judgment that they believe strongly that is so erroneous. Most of the evidence that we have, the pieces of evidence that we have, which the judge relied on, came from their defense. Defense witnesses, the accused person's own comments, his own witness statement, his own police statement. Those were the materials that formed the basis for the conclusion of the judgment. So
that is Dr. Same side. But Oze Babesino, you yansenti or the ebe or can send you or I'm busy. I drain your cost.
What we do, this is politics in a way. I mean, what they are doing is politics. And they issued that statement, or they had a press conference when they have not even seen. They had not seen the judgment. So do you expect them, now that they've seen the judgment, they will go back and say what we said was wrong? They would never do that. They would rather double down and say things. But so far, I don't think anyone has pointed to any aspect of the judgment that they believe strongly that is so erroneous. Most of the evidence that we have, the pieces of evidence that we have, which the judge relied on, came their defense. Defense witnesses, the accused person's own comments, his own witness statement, his own police statement.
You see, their own personal statement. Prosecution witness for the immune. And then Omwa yomo submitted, and one aqua teacher mukong, and I say meow. So that is Chamau to me. We are all waiting for appeal because lawyer attached a buyer or say Oma gather no less than 20 grounds, sir. Sir, grounds no Oma gather no for the appeal no. Oma overturning the decision. That would be okay. That would be cool. But you're trying the day of appeal. No muguso mugado mu grounds over 20 the end there. enya de bi betimachi bail entimi go ba say 20 nyina ba ka che say ba kokura anya. But there was something that was going on for national service. National service for sika de mo mu bosomi no. Bosomi bia na eto mu 60 cedis. Ana mranche de shase districts executives ne shase say sa sika no kra omo tete omzom de rebuilding say dey omo ntiase. So there was a letter from the National Service Personnel Associations about Amomubeka say clarification on the 60 Ghana deduction for the NASPA capacity building program. The leadership of the National Service Personnel Association NASPA wishes re-emphasize to all national service personnel and the general public that 60 Ghana deduction towards the above mentioned program is an initiative of the National Service Personnel Association and not an initiative of the National Service Authority. I was like, you guys are not serious. And your district executives were not even aware or did not endorse this. And the secretariat was looking at them. Said National Service Personnel Association, the thing called for Masemo de capacity building for them. National Service Force can saying what is system no they quiet then. You see, leadership shouldn't give people opportunity to misbehave. But the National Service in Thomas and National Service entirely from time immemorial that but they doing crazy kasa. Masa femunya baby fan said their capacity. And that's not coming from the secretariat. You see, Hannes had the initial as you near the Aba National you. And shall see leadership getting sa near Unkron, Bossa, near Fasu Bunko, Forza, near baby Drew baby. The deduction is therefore not an unexplained charges as it was agreed upon the NASPA Council and then communicated accordingly. Prior to implementation, it constitutes an initial payment towards the cost of then training, coordination, facilitation, logistics, training Papa Bay. Assemble Crane. Masa, NASPA recognizes the genuine concern of personnel whenever deductions are made. However, these periodic deductions are necessary in order that association can fully deliver on its mandate of safeguarding the development and that's my fault. That's my fault. Where do you go? I just don't want to even continue reading. Hey, yeah, the sound SRC Musa. SRC entertainment for mu ye account crowd ko jira obesere. Yeah, the sound near the NASPA near the Konux. Sa ne bi the rap parliament, ne bi the called deputy minister, ne bi sa oh. Hey, Mrs. Sao. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. And it's me and them Musa, near ring. We say, oh, hey, there is three. So from departmental, near the Aba SRC. From SRC, no, near the Aba NASPA. From NASPA, near the Rum Nooks. From Nooks, near the Rum Baby Fofro, near Aba. From Nooks, no straight, near the Aba Parliament. Now, you are called political portfolio. That's a Namusa. Hey, Gala. Oh, you are the bishop. So, finally, there have been official communication said almost suspended SARS Ghana. And I think the secretariat, they told you when you end Sadia Uyachi. Was one share a babon. People think it's even the secretariat today. No, it's a Ejina. It's the student personnel, no. And then it will be spoiling people's name. It will be doing a lot of things. Kasa be brave. So National Service Personnel Association with immediate effect, most suspend this idea. Munya is idea with immediate effect. And Quadana Bunyo Muya, no so Muntiasia, we National and paying for me for them go crafo. So Muntiasia, mesramu munjai mom bebra mom so mpe training bia bebra ma amani ama enti Abdul Wahab oye national president ana Martin Sugukrumu anso ye secretary enti monhwe na munye niye ewo but many Emmanuel Asante ye former NASPA president yani ma eni komo na sa dear omo take over from them no decisions omo take no ye hwese beboa omu a da Abdul Wahab so omo president ye be yan no so Emmanuel ba chai na pom te say
we adom na so
oba de adom ye ho ye pa
over there.
Recently, who say, that's for Sister Ghana City, Omutete personnel, so no, Omuchema, the deduction, no, a capacity building program. In fact, some of the district executives, Abo Anyo so, Kekao some trouble letter, personnel, sleeping so boanyo so. But from the association, no, almost Chema, I had there so many building. Aya personnel so no na omonso at be scanner be so at mabo omu for day-to-day activity. You have been there before, and this capacity building levios a deduction here go so yi say na ofano
Well, me da seminia amenchane atiefo nyina etiene se buy no for the buy no e ka ho asem se why now I'm first of fashion or okay, problem be any was a baby a mabuno. Well, we use this out if you teachers you could basing in your mind. But yeah, acquire deduction on so many deduction. So this person is can is more to and this young so deduct here every how the best room say and money optional. You finish a person or you know, and Kaonia. Tell that you go for below Korea or one of my service, no only access to share internet at the hour person we and common money option. The trade petition at the core, national, at the core, non presidents, the kind of trade petition the core. Yes, we need to so executives and better than service personnel. I always say some of them were not even aware. Inti unya were not money as yet and now they are born. And here, catch you say, you need problem with the program now, person. Then we call on person more fast or we did that share in the air. We are a uchi obisika ni pani ndiye uti ni sikane dia nyene kwano enti or ya time na ye wo ho as executives na you to side no ho na mo but don't say no ye free ko yaso enti no kwere say ye die ye bu nyo side na so because you can isa and you be aso na betimi take part enti so obi on timi take part na say what thing sika as a condition what you see no
enti we no otiomu capacity building no strictly online and I say we no mbeko said you can remote areas they don't even have access to internet ebeko grown no so na akwesa capacity building no mu chire mu capacity building ben and kombezo mu deba
ni etiene say omu class omu meba omu face to face the room maybe so omu be online there na omeba nkunu na omu service personnel na share na capacity building ya omu kan no IT so about IT omu ya no you be ku omu say ni dey data school data and you can and the place say nkomonya na optional no nipa ne pese oya na wo na ukase by force mo de bili obia ne kwa so no nyane emwa because class o mo ntimi ko class o e kuna omba district na district capital na ho ena omobenye no na ya nipa no class na o ntimi ma at that time na obenye dey so nti omo yi ne dey o ya ka say obi mo okura omo yesa course so no dada nti omunye option ana obia o person o person o ye no ene o ye na ono ye tia onim se ono na waya already utia.
Oh, okay. So currently communicate about omun hot no for now no is it okay with you guys?
Well, you see me the program no mo ya but omun fa kwan on be ya emfa problem bia me service mesere na bi nsungu omoyem na ebe kama because omoye program here me president national president na me kasa say on seek sponsorship from the government na buy no mo na untimi nya saade ndi me the advice me man say you say na friend nya so you want na e wo so no so omo fi say omo betimi aye na ebe bo omo no me fi say Yes, man, I always say, not on one feeling, say, yes, and son of mine is Abia Namo. And now, maybe I can advise a moment and say, service business from Sikanisha. If you require the matter to be classy, baby, require no more, require a problem. And the identity almost seek sponsorship from government. Not on
I think that brilliant because current government, your NIP, your YA, your NYA are dealing with some of these things, youth programming and all that. Okashia no muso fususu ho saying.
Well, President, okay, say umbetu wana mo. Nti as of now, yeah time no na hwa say omubeso that issue no. Na fi o my but ya ntefe. In fact, yeah petition actually come director no. Ma director na nkasa no. Also ma respond. Ma respond or ya dey pa ma respond say omoni nsia ni hu nkomo ama ye ni omo enya kitawudi takra ama president ni taka say ombehwe ho asem ntifi bi na ye dey free so na me e bia na ma hu ni say omo pese ye free akonya so na ni once na beba no omo ni omo adili dia I don't know but actually ni dia so ma omo ye ne say omo di beli omo ti obi by force emwa.
Okay. I don't pay my menasi, and so
many of us, I'm sure I know what you're friend.
I'm sure also. Emmanuel Asante, a former NASPA district president, also so an attaining can say almost petition your concern, omu at the core, yeah, as so I will hope that omukodi at home and come out. And that is brilliant. Now, Marisa Benya, the current president, because now, Obi-Wan walk where ICT be wo. Eti di oba be kire no odim dada. O se cheche what the 60 cities. It should be optional. And ne kura no capacity build the there a lot of government institutions you can partnership with them. NEIP wo ho. YE wo ho. But Yoruba Sintalia IE wo ho. Ora Erica J NEIP. NY munyina ho betimi say for sponsor bia even private companies bia omo into IT and all that you can partnership or seek sponsorship from them. See, you have to be innovative than said that make national service can saying saying yes kwa TB or some of these things no na around na asem bidding on one thing. Na Kumasi traders, a man bebre so atwabo. Video bi na circulate pa. Na in the third video no. Na mame baako awo adum enclave on PZ, adum PZ or enclave. There's all super president. Oh, video na ko viral pa. Na abaya na man no kra beka se. Mame no kra de onko association ho. On count and young to me identify her cry as a year or count that I don't know by yet, you know. Central market for so or more ton your mouth. What is that demonstration? No, so they say the current state of Central market, Kumasi Central market, etna be ding. Abaya din pa suma Kumasi Central Market. Actually, I'm the videos in the okay, yeah, phase 1 no query, and no common here anymore as a phase 2 near Bayer. But as it stands now, phase 2 no still. And the stores now also muyen. and my man better them to you know to say I am stranded, I am basa. But why should me etobia? I dare say they are my contract. A project a continuity. Ya better why you can a may a galide no matter gum say no. I dare go yanya demonstration why. But knowing very well say the current state of Kumasi Central Market, the mayor should know better say it's not the best for a Maya and Ma. What is delaying the phase 2? Phase 2 now Central Market no. A day no bia American bibia just say yam pushia on tefi. But the phase 2 still na akao. So what exactly is happening at the Central Market? Echina medi wo komoye. Because a man woman is stranded. That time yaka aromako jina baby to ade na honya lawful na ma hoyefi. But what we need to do na kasa yenso yenye. Yes, a project as a gigi. I think Yamia do now by me for crab and any priority. Na semato. So yes, Mayo. Yes, Mayo. Bakato Zuba, you may be or buy or yeah, if you want me Philip, you also mean Philip. But you know he's doing well. On your bad. And your bad performance, Zuba has not been doing bad. But Zuba Misramo Central Market. Crow from the so do I know the boss. Yes, Ramwa, Monsha Namonia near me. Because yet mean to also like this. And Ranamera Hopa. Me shed a man now more now. A Central Market. There you are, Rosem. Baby Rajombra na Era Central Market, the Mema Roman Father Drone Binanum. I don't pay Roman Father Drone Father Martin Seba Mister. And I make come for Eddie Amount. A Roman Father Nedrono. Father Martin Seba Mister. A divine medicine formulated to deliver you from numbness. What am I teach you, Roman Father Drone be? Stroke also an archival. I'm more good them, Timmy Quajuma, your who she ye. I don't pay Bomadia Neko. Pet Roman Father Nedroni be. So I'm so that no pay me come for the amount say. Sir, pressure, diabetes, oh, so. Bobo Roman Father drone be a idea say bebo pa. Ebi so also hot ma na ya dia kwanko bi na ehawa. Do hia ye Roman Father Nedrone Father Martin say ba Mr. And you be aja to madwuma ebo anu edin. Ye adwuma yi ho ya de nyira. Efri so ema ho etimi to fine. A Roman Father Nedrone. A dra a divine. A dra ya dia bo na ye kwanko awonu ma. Febo say Yankopon achase nam so eye nsenkyerene na ho etoba edura nwanwaso a Roman Father Nedrone all chronic diseases odi bobobi na abewu se me catch wampa anope bomodi ane koje odie enso ewo ho anope Wordlink Academy school so nkwa aba na Wordlink Academy school ni se mu ofe school no emu ye neat school no hwe nkwada no kura na school no sometimes school out the be ko no so determine network a oba no benya wo obo no wie school up to now the schoolmate kro nhia bi da until obi adin kura so obi kura fa TV so and obi aba news man na obi ye bibi e wo baby in the cool kura ade ne say wanya schoolmate papa so awie o so obi aba ko school papa to say so oba secondary school na say go school be say to senior high school obefa we wo ha oh regional minister oh ofa Eric J say school papa no wa go school papa omuno secondary school when the more school mate be ada only proper link be say wa baba go school papa where link academy omoji from crèche nursery primary junior high school from Form 1 to Form 3, Wordlink Academy, our Paraku Estate, at Asomanso, omo boarding facility or out there, Koranbeko, Nayaheno, proper housing facility and buses, omo buses in India. School go out buses, no sugar. School watch, say, yeah, maintenance crowd buses in home, where dear and yo moi, and a pebble modia, Nebra, na Wordlink Academy, a mon school papa bus papa. classroom papa compound no kama serene atmosphere kura ni sua de bede enko akra no sua de bede enko because atmosphere no kama anope bomodi a never abanba Wordlink Academy Wordlink Academy na anope eno so emboa wo ewo ho from 020 819 1351 020 819 1351 020 881 91 35 1 0208 19 13 51 0208 19 13 51 and 0547 44 24 1 0547 enti ofro mu anopay a ombejo so na mahwe 0547744241 anopay from when na omunso so emmoa wo Tago ba Mr. Nene capsules na anopay make come for the amount Tago ba Mr. Nene capsules ana make come for the amount anopay wo erectile misfunction obema nya adwuma obema nkoye wonya low libido atinka asem wo fomo yo ba bema watika asem wo fomo infections ahodo na ayewa unya Tago ba Mr. na anopay ni wakagina mu en for 0243228296 0243228296 Tago Heba Mr. Nene capsules anopay eni wakagina mu bema nya bema obanya oba watinka nkosoro umema sem nkonanim infections ahodo ni enyim free drugstore pharmacy shop herbal shop bia ebi ho a obenya bia anopay to ejapade de bebo enti anopay mesewa to ejapade plot mienu edadan nanim edafie nanim plot mienu emusoso pa na afei store building to aso baako aprosan warehouse kakraka bi a wutimi ede ye ayi factory kra mu so sa enso na kanea ho nsuo ho ewo eje so besi ase kyese baby e woni ye papa 020 9644611 020 9644611 bomodin na je ejapade eye ejapade a eye for life anopay oto a oye dey ko ne kwaje ejapade papa enso ewo ho RSYD no video studios anopay opeso twa movie dia na apeso ye na ekoyi emau RSYD no video studios ana make am for edi amount say anopay kwai RSYD for sebra utwa movie uye skit na woye dia woye no bra na yenye yimau RSYD no video studios say professional camera handlers photographers creative directors when your story na ntimi ntro kra de ba ye betro e de amount na won so enwoma akoye e de amount RSYD no video studio nkan malama biase first Kokoko street music video no fa mo betwa ne bo so form 057471 5778 057471 5778 and 0303974822 Anopay so Almighty 21st Clinic. Almighty 21st Clinic. Area se do any sad your son takrache. Osono ye kese na abo bi esua ye. We obedore sa ade kra on chen eye preku. Ye 21st Clinic. 21st Clinic. 21st Clinic. The sciatica expert. 21st Clinic. Ehuna bobrim. 21st Clinic. Clinica. Or ye adwuma wo professionals. 21st Clinica or what doctors are yatiti or more license. 21st Clinic, a Clinica, Ghana traditional medicine for Ajo Matum Somi a Clinica or Mudimuno Musimuye. Over 10 years. Over 10 years. Now 21st Clinic. Now O Clinic you have a papa bet my one vet already on TV. Over 10 years. 10 years. They come 10 years, a decade. And a clinic now waha. Obwa won't be 21st Clinic. Obu abu bi Doris idea osuon no 21st Clinic 21st Clinic yade bia esa yade bia 21st Clinic sa say ye osa say ye yade ben esa na mo de nti o mo frɛ the sciatica expert amanfo yam ti o ma na yo buhwim na do sa de also eni sa de also de also takrache 21st Clinic mu bobobo Ha! 21st clinic. Everybody in Yankopon. Over years. O try kra wuntimi. O try kra 21st clinic wuntimi. Over years na 21st clinic ay 21st clinic abesi de. De oye adwuma pa no. De adwuma kasama no. 21st clinic. Clinic ay renovation kra na amanfo te akire twen. Clinic ayese o. Said the renovation kakra because he believe in renovation. Now man 40 work crying say Buddha bed and baby ya pesiaba 21st clinic. Ya branches in the doors. Over 15 branches in Ghana hyena. Over 15 branches. Me say Oko traditional plant medicine council na association na Rashid Dani obo mo nyina wonim say 21st clinic clinic professionals. Obo mu ho okwa traditional plant medicine for no obo nim say 21st clinic there clinic genuine clinic papa Ghana traditional medicine practitioners no obo nim say 21st clinic the sciatica expert obo nim omujitum say the sciatica expert no size I don't pay me so over 15 branches 21st clinic na make am for the amount. Sciatica nacho 21st clinic. Ulcer 21st clinic. Diabetes 21st clinic. Yade bia how no 21st clinic. Ano pay ube bia ma wan efe. Now I say Evans I want any or buffet grocery 21st clinic adawma. Na say Evans so I was hey Evans. And the more you dear, where do you? My catcher say, you, dear. Yo. And I'll pay events at Tennessee. Hey, now I'm in the home come up. Bread TV. It's 21st clinic, I make come for my miss so. More be fast or Korean and watching China. You were 15 branches. Kumase Diano. One hour back to doctors for papa. Dr. Thomas, Dr. Yusuf, just a doctors, no boy, Juma. Certified doctors. 21st clinic. Yadro near Bontin da. Yaji wouldn't Yasebra Hospital near you. A clinic on its own. Odia Bibidro Didia 21st clinic. Omo Yasi Heya. Na me amisi from na me hwe adwuma mu ba. Me say clinic Benny. So be take taxi me hu 3 days time yes yo. Am say nya ni panium so no a. Am say no ba me ko so hwi no so no a. Ne ho ato no. Any challenger, no challenger. 21st clinic. Clinic be our per standard or the be so 21st clinic. 21st clinic. Clinic ya hwa post for. Post for bebre nyina ho na mo mu siatica say tie nie. Post for bebre siatica atiche omagu. Ba ko bi atabili ne siatica say die tie nie. Now no ba 21st na hwa post for hwa nurses, hwa doctors, hwa test abrochirefo yi ba. 21st clinic. That's sciatica expert. No competition. No. 21st clinic. No. And I pay Kumasi overseas. Ye jinamu gidi upusu ye mpusu. Ye jinamu gidi. Abuase council quarters. Court junction nani wo. Enkra yo Tantra Hill ni wo. Sunyani regional hospital yani ne die nimhwe. Enkransa so ya ben children's park no. Techiman. Ya GM bank dine that enim. 0249311311. 0249311311. Clinic papa etwa over branches ahwani pa over the years traditional plant and medicine for ya twa di usamamu etwa ye die bibia so 21st clinic no 21st clinic oposo anyaka also adoto no ano pay 0249311311 0540311311 0540311311 21st clinic and the war specialist ebini babia Nyamisha 21st clinic. Uchubutai is still the best. All right. I don't pay a bit for Atenasi. He be di komo. Na no pay said the mania dinner man wire dear. And ra physio for me miami. Majonku. physiophone me am yogu aba be what to be mafili o Evans Obing Samson anope atena si ginam ma the National Democratic Congress NDC incoming communication officer Kwabiri East Sanso na Kabore Abdul Razak Ashanti Regional Communication Team ma the New Patriotic Party MPP Kabore anope machi
you so boss
na important to say
Uncle Padu mo na mo so
ya kupado me ho ye pa
easy
easy
enye kura be fa sa ababoni ya to wi ase obi enu no ho a obi o ho chew ye bo yem nso ese men kasa o kasa ba be chew ese enu mu na we ese ya free democracy to autocracy purely autocracy regime na ese ye wo yi na first na ye nim say kabima mi kabidi democracy die utibi chiro wadwen say na upbia because eno na ye wum na say yakoto aba say ye pe ye appear democracy ebi mu claim say under MPP regime democracy aye practice no mu so na say omo the MPP regime e be compare sa autocratic regime wa ye we dia which me say amanfo de bia omo ka so mo say and the matter omo kala TV akoto black and white and am say we dey black and white. This is more than black and white because nobody is allowed to express his or her feelings, ideas, or anything. Do you know something? Uni bibi, boss. Uni say nipa who problem. Na say even utimi verbalizing out, crampwa, psychologically, unya healing, heal you because in some show so na say oka. It me ma enuma bia some stresses bia e wo so ina it me heal it utimi free kakra but you say sa ensem na e bia obetimi aka ma na free wu no you say fashe mu na unim na say oka e ba becho but na ye fa akwanya we dey aka tro mo say omo time no boss they said things more than what people are saying now and then obi ani hon ma what you because he say pressure bi na ewo mo so mo can those things they are relieve and they are release your most stress and no pressure yeah by ende unim na se wo ka sa asem na o mo say the bibi ebe trace your IP address and bo a bibi a wona mi na na track you ne da becho nti na de wo mu no na minu nation so Kwame na so monitor program no ne encourage bi o say bia week we dey obehu no obeba be no 1-2 bi wo aha no masa san yakobat o se oba eye den oba be hu ansa na wa den wasati ne na achi omo etie sumpa TV gidigidi o se ne west constituent that is Kwame na so mi chiachia omu ina eni na encourage ne mansir ni Munia Suleiman Kabore na Jelil Etumu ina mi chomu ina na yakase issue no say abana anya to awie 2028 awo yanim nti obi bia we disappointed a want man pia koto aba disappointment na ama want man pia koto aba no you see what aba ma ebi mama you see akansem bia obetimi aka ana se enema bia wonya ewo MPP and the MPP regime no ndisi by wonya nema no enso wo sentimi nkasa bio nti ebesoro mo say 2028 is just at the corner 4 years ready mawa I say 4 months ube chichicha man for bohia na 4 years na so na adia Ghana for their show say brane be no na untimi nye then they will show you the exit way na say exit way no ye show wa then bibia wo horo mo so na yeso ya den yeso dia gu horo mo.
Okay. Evans, good morning.
When you get the morning,
I'm going to say,
oh, Yango Padaroma, Libya Ecoso. And what your moemuna, Omampaniba, Nase, Omampania, Obabana, Osombo. Now, if you will be or any food be so bad. Now, say, I see your born the 2 for 1. In fact, you say, Omaya, Omusi Apenino. Now, say, free or any born in Tia. But is the answer the Ubia, you are Usi Apeni. It is 100% cry now. Yemba majority na no ebusi se ebo no atofom ama bibia ekozo kama na ohwe Ghana ha no ma na menu yi ka asem se autocratic autocratic ne de enya de ye adwuma opa obetena hai obeka de woni bia obeka na adwe nyina owia police bia anche no that is freedom of what expression bia ni wa ode ne be dey ebeko ba bia na so ode ne beto tankuru mum by so wetin gina waka 50 things e de atie obi so obi ni obi da say obi asie na twie so obi ti sei obi yire kasa 50 things di femu obi dia eni kwa sia so wo man mu ha wo ya me ma me kra na akoye bi ne chewa me ba me ka cho se dam kakransa ansa na afi ya ka ho asem se be o kina bi akraketo abi so wo akira wonye dai osua that doesn't mean say autocratic
okay
so maba hai na me ka bi bia be mi ni masore ko asem bia eni ho na me ba na be gu obi hu fin ka asem a enim emfred di atem na me wie na ye frame ye invite me wo CID headquarters a enye me na makoso ade no eno che autocratic ana da bi so ati ase aha ejize me ba na be ka ye cheche ya adwen ye wi ada bia ye ma ha ye zi for mo so obi invite ye obi anya ye hwe it means that democracy ye dai e ya adwuma ba ye ba na ye be ka de ensem fata no mo frɛ ya eno doesn't mean say autocratic so nti Ghana for na enyeje ye de sa aman no amamwo no se koyi na se koyi a omo mo tifie no obi ayi dai evu sana tie
but I say yamra en common so anopai Barbara say a combination we biem Evans ne kabori yo but
boss
yes
seconds once a young say Ibia overcome filthy things about Ubia ma embrani new indi
no expressing your opinion
and oh me say but unim it shouldn't be selective justice.
Yeah, beba honti e bewrem.
Do you understand?
Yeah, be di unkomonti e bebem.
Because even as I say, on this na ablan food meeting no.
Yeni kan nwram wo. Yeni kan nwram minority caucus. That be Yamra Ghana's public debt rises significantly by 47 billion in 3 months. That is a bit worrying. That is worrying. 47 billion ewo bosome mako yensem abori baby I be dream
boss before me share say mamintia the incoming national national organizer that's Alhaji Salim Bamba if you anam no waba Ashanti region baby am yanka sanka sami the incoming Ashanti regional communication officer Dr. Kesken baby obi ano me chaw me boss wa kope
Kesken
yeah Dr. Kesken
me feeling pa
me fi won mana mako the incoming Ashanti regional nasara organizer she Ubasi Elias Bendi Gambaba wonu so bibia obi amichiana mi wi amu na me de kuka e da bato soro because on never for Ashanti regional chairman chairman wodi no ho kuka bibia obi anu so bicha ndro na omko pick omko balloting any those kind of things you say coming forward regional elections in baba e de gu ana fe na ya national ye wi ana ya set a team e de be ki start campaign in 2027 nti me show me na boss no correct Ghana domestic debts almost in just 3 months are increased by 47%. Sorry, 47 billion Ghana cedi. Now, so we share the reason why it's here. A mass debt in a call a pejasa. We share say one domestic borrowing.
Yeah,
that is one. The government continue reliance on the local capital market through what treasury bills and the local bond issuance. Among for more treasury bill. You see, okay, say now also for be. You soon say na Argentina in this year buy mobile ya so obi ko top treasure bill na obetono at the end of say ebia wo ye no ebia quarterly ya okohwe sikara e babato so no endru ontimi fan oso ontimi fan ko to ma kura fan ko fidi no kwada ovie da we eya na ye aban papa na omo so ye omo claim so mato banana that is one and two CD depreciation. Ye na yinim say ebia owoka me fa say $100 million. So what you say? Now say the time now was $100 million. Say o CD to the dollar rate 5 say e could rule ebia 10 cedis that can ever multiply by 2. If I told him I say because then time na CD no ever 5 CDs no say so pay the same CD e dey quarter $1 now you need what times 2 of the CDs into depreciation currency depreciation and also etimima local debt ekosoro and financial pressure say bia pressure beba that is the ongoing demand to fund ebia economic recovery programs be say ebia wo di bibia to say say we recover those kind of things ni na etimima your friend say usidi no da honde no then ekofom boss okay say nancy ya Bank of Ghana governor eba parliament say anka obabe chire ye enoma yekoso the financial sector Ghana enye sa na oba parliament ye nim say Bank of Ghana governor eba parliament sabia ye mamu media for akwan akonya mebo a e mamoko teki enema bia or can life isn't it say the bear Ghana for ye na ye tua tax ye na se bibi eba ombeche dia 2 years so say ye tua ema oman no entim recover from those debt no ye hu the air cost so ewo yankasa ye bank that is central bank the air cost so hono ye na NDC for because omo na minority say omo parliament e be gina hono say omo pa media for ni na epia monte say omo mpese media for ebe capture ensema eye asiama eba ebe ka ewo parliament house because omo su say so omo ka na say media for eba be dede a ebetimi ama foreign investors a omo pese omo ba Ghana no ebeba omo hu a omo nya den omo mba biu. I am not the one saying it too. Omo majority leader and any other people are omo parliament omo na eka this financing committee under the NDC. And catch omo say this is a bad your friend is a president omo set now under MPP even though say MPP for example ebe program bi kwampo na it is not even associated with this ye ma media for akwenya until before say ultimate say media houses ebi wo omo representative ebi o parliament house no omo broadcast live from the parliament house na obi aso ya ina yetifia na ina yenye biye den hwe but nkofo say they will not do it that way. This raise an alarm and a suspicion say ebia I'm alleging and say bia me can say me can is alleged say bia bibi koso a omo mpese Ghana for ye bet ibu hu ade koso. Just a boss, I didn't know in just 3 months. Ghana yet me about 47 billion Ghana cedi. 47 billion e can was more. In this 47 billion now in just this 3 Ghana 3 months. So Oshe first now Ghana your public debt na 674.1 billion. As at February 2026 no. As of February 2026, in February 2026 to May, this is a Canada 720.8 billion. Into me fancy 721 because who approximately 0.8 now, 721 billion in May 2026. That is what we are now experiencing. Into the debt stock, jumping from 681 billion in March. Before rising to Ghana cedis 695.9 billion in April and eventually reaching 720 in May, which means the figure now. That is every month biano there's significant rise. Kano kwane ekoso and depreciate you can ember from can ekoso. Ya catch NDC for say economy no management enye de deal. Enya kasa enya yi under MPP regime ye MPP for ye be share enyoma bebre being it global pandemic and then ye kasa ye attitudes be ema economy no I say we didn't get it anything right because Oshe economy from 2017 I be picky NDC for the economic growth of 3.6 now. That's a would compare your first 4 years now. Now there's Bibia any one you and I will testify saying and no more within first 2017 now go for the airline free education anybody The first term, no, the economy was doing well.
Okay.
Do you understand? But from 2020, Ediba, COVID, post-COVID recovery now Ghana, and Ghana country bia obia ekwa hunya no. Enunti your economy no ebenya some lapses. Sa lapses no krampo yetimi grow the economy by 5.7 free power edima NDC 4 and a fact ultimate country me say bia enye no correct compared to omona the time na bibia ko eni hon my befa economy as 3.6 no. Into looking at this, na say it me for me sir, esa a jam reserve of $9 billion with gold reserve of 30.53 tons. Ama cocoa mobile the first quarter cocoa et me mamo 1.8 billion as boss. That's also when na IMF scan so bana. What me say we left a resilient economy for you people. Eni mo na mobile na wo so mbe tunton ye gold na ye be pay edu to one reserve no omo turn by $3,500 per ounce. Almost have a catch rate. Some the same gold at a cost of $5,000 per ounce. I said, gold reserve. We raised this in Parliament, and I said, but I'm out for anti share, and there should be a echo. So we are telling them, say, economy, and yet about the do. It is about doing. What they did, say, MPP, MPP incompetent, and you are doing every month $1 billion to stabilize the city. To stabilize the city. Artificial city, no, artificially. Must stabilize the city artificially. Because there is, you can't say, $1 billion now, must stabilize it. Ain't feasible. They say, somebody yes, say $1 in the where are you going to get another dollar to throw into the market to go and stabilize the cities? They should tone down what they are doing. And if they don't understand, Bibia, I mean, more honomo. I mean, over the economy. That's in a year. What me at any bibia, added 200 mama to say, Muyano, say Muyano Bruhaha, we sorry, no way, say we should always know. We are begging them. This debt, they say, Marsha say, accumulated debt in M from no. The final bedding, but the Bible to Ghana for and they say, do you know, say, a school fees are yet. Recently, I mean, I say 7,770, and that means I say, yeah, now we can put almost school fees from master to 10,000. This is what I am telling you. I am feeling it. That is a 30 to 40% increment in fees and charges. Now, what they you say, and I go against me. No. So we are telling you, say, you people have to sit down, go to the MPP, let them teach you how to do that. When and you say, be a unim.
Thank you very much. Your point is well made. Mamemra Evans. So letters you are not ending. Mamemra Evans. So even so, Ghana public debt rises to 47 billion in 3 months, and people are saying, say, are we getting value for money? Is there a cause to worry? That is the debt so far.
Abraham Kwaku Adusei, the General Superintendent of the Savior Church of Ghana. Mamechano, na mentia, me mama mi Hajia Rabbi, and Hajia Sana. In fact, me who be that, or those on call Mochemi, say, Hajia for me, you be throw off matching. Now, my senpai body among say, Okuna Okono, Kundi, any odiano, anoding. And I say, oh, come here, what come? O kamia waka omonti ba bi omo bia no mechia omo pa na menua Timothy odifo Timothy enso obo sori saman ho na odi djuma enso mechia no na incoming organizer Ashanti regional organizer Patu mechia no na me boss ye honorable Frederick Safo Asante ye probia ne yam ye pa me boss yi enye easy wuchia na unya boni bi no aka afa no ho eso no so ba incoming chairman or Kwame East for the Safa Sante baby obiano mechiano na machia Kenya say ema nyina Linda Do titu nso mechiano na me ne kabori bi sia ha o aya na emisiru mitimi esresa because ninsem bi aya okeka no aya na me ya bebre say yenko MPP for enkusua de hwe obi abe headmaster ewu institution bi na enkuranya nkunya ntana so enkuranya aduani ni teaching and learning materials dey be chere nkura de ekura ebi ni ho a ni asesa obi na obi aba oba enkura no ti akunya so teaching and learning materials and so ye dey ewo ho bibi e koso a but the example keke why na ye bebo na baso enti ye pe bibi asua fi obi ho a enye de wo ye na ama nyu oma ekotote no ho no kra na wo se nkofo ko na wo gosua de efi ni ho hwe ye si aboka 47 billion sa na ye kan ho asem enye sa but uko ye foreign your friends say sika and as a car dear foreigners ye do omoka still maintain 29.3 billion ebi meka ho gwe ye sika ya de wo man mu ha o ya ye ho o ka treasure bill asem he me treasure bill no me bi me ko ye na rate no swati fine me nya no bebre ba asan ka beboa me but me nwi Ghana ho ye di sika no ye de beboa hwan Ghana for ya eno de ye de bi tua local contractors ye de bi tua omuka so ye ECG ye public jet ye wo honom no ye de bi ye de solve sa de no yankwaji sika mfiri oman bia so yankwaji sika mfiri amanoni o Ghana ha ya sika o ama ya yi ya kwiri ho kakra na ye de ye oman ni ye enti dia na ye betiatiem so ye be kan sei ana yi so oman ni be ye ni nyina tim omo ba na public debt na da sei GDP na da sei 61.8% ana na da ni ho kire ye na aduani die ho aye den edansie no embo no ma boy den cement ana me ba ya o 76 Ghana cedis 71 bag edi embe we ya pede ne de 100 ekwo 110 ekwo 120 ena bi gura de 130 ya pede no de iron rods enam 9000 eno wan sam ne emra meka na anaso ya pede odi abedu 7000 ekwo na chi ebi di stage 1 ton debi he aya ye nuanu ma bibi fo omo nkom ntum no mo enjoy economy ne kakra omo enjoy ahon to aye wuram no omo enjoy bi bosia ne abo but ye nko ba bia hwe mi na bi otie akurase na captain bi aba ba ye na dwuma na captain ni wakobo bosia wo susufo ye friend service and loans bi e wa akura na se na odi akotua captain ni ka na le bosom ya ketua no ekosoro emu odu chen sa loan na wakwakobo na we are wosem na wosem ne de hin se Ghana ye revenue generate no enye izo ye enye loopholes e bi wura baabi ni aka say anti bia befa bia kwa ha papa bia befa bia kwa ha de omo de no da bia ye from wo yoko omo yiyi no mo anu enye no bi ne ehu so enti revenue no se ebi mfa baabi ye generate the ball mine no bibi ekoso kama enti eno gra ne ye more higher than sikana ya bo no locally sikana ya jiji ye kwirikwiri won ya de ball mine no ye yi adie no e more than that edu be kaso mine ni ko ya me nti wase dimina na me de example say otie akurase akova capital ni so omra me enye omo ne dan so no akobo bosia osusufo ho na monthly ni revenue wo generate ebro sesika no etu okoje a eya twitwa me ne bosia enye twitwabri bosia efise emfaso no ebebre yedai ho a obetim de enya kura de atua anase e base edru critical o bibia o siachi ba bi ode no be dai ebedon etiam bi fo mun kan wonu tum na ze na na buo no tietiam de obi tifi a Ghana fo mun tie bosia na ye ka ho asem no 47 billion ye ka ho asem no e yo mamu he ye kwa ya mevu koje bosia ye kwa obi ma zo koje sika bia ya ye ho treasure be ni akuri kakra firi ho aha no ma ni age kakra firi ho se de be ye de be boaboa ya ye ho jomo ma MPP vote gudu obi emu mani
from February to May already Bank of Ghana for data na the external debt also increased. Nina accrued to the 47 because the last time I checked, from February to May it was 313 and it moved from 347. So external debt, though the rate and cost but we have also increased our external debt from the month of February to May.
Correct. Ade Akye Abia majority. Eno na ye ade kan wasem. It ever the 47 billion, ko ever say we cry foreign a year. Die kese na nkasa ye mamu ayai. Hey, o mampanyi bi ba wiase o. Ah no fa engineer vozi kadi mu ebi wu ye bi ntima nya sika go hospital. Ya nti bi e wo mamu a. Obi fo obi sika di. O kasa papa yi kasa no wo mi refi ni di kra. Ti se yeso wo film. Ni sika ya ban fa di di. So what one mo a na ho mete na bi mi maba no so. Wache hokọ. Ba mu wu abefa no. Ara wo sem pa na to abuzua. but o man panyin bi aba wa fo music ani o o say tuatua ne kakaka de yedai e de mo even de wa wi kra no ye say betua ne sika de ai e de ama na busua so man panyin na Ghana fo hia so man panyin no ana Ghana fo nyina eboabo mo nkoto aba e de man no say bra na beboa ye oba ye oboa bibi e koso hwe no mo bosia amuta no mo bosia oh yes tu jibi kra na boy say tu jimi zo firi Kwame danso tu jimi na boy say e bro bag busa no Kwame danso na boy say ene ye say e ti ko akodu 4.5 fufulele munidi eh yempe wey yesi yempe wey oba panyi bi aba yetimi si dan sementi boy atete so yesi yempe wey die ne yepe
ana oba panyi ba ni yetimi si dan
na di o ugo yi sika gwojo so goto sementi a ahwa yi so fi na Nyankopon ya adoma next month oji upe a wo de akwa kotua ka e di abesre Ghana for okay e ma 47 billion ni hunu mo dodo na ya esika ani akurikuri won de boa o man no ye die o man ni mpuntuo contractors ani ya de o muka ye fa sika be na ti o muka but ye nko o man bi so nkoje ebusia kese enfa be ye se de be ya bed ne be ba be de so o mo di terms and condition bi ma ye ntimi ntua ya ye ho ne age
more ko 300 million about for educational infrastructure.
Oh yes,
minority have raised the question on it, say why should educational infrastructure you first sika from ye ko bobo siana ababe
right majority of SHS, majority of senior high schools because of bad policy omu implement ya emphasis o dey good policy about bad implementation omu dey dey e ka ho mami go to this because SHS is a good policy so but implementation was very poor enne enkwani bi nyanko nyanya dey entra so di ne ma bi kwotena fie no akodi be 3 months na bi aba etisi ye kwa akwaji sika ne dey ba be yi sa ade ne nyina afi wono mo a eye nyina yi die akwani bi sound very much e dey asua de eti ma o ma 47 hu no mo na emom ya ye ho di na still no inflation wo form see the na stabilize ene o ma boy dey stable a ye enjoy bibia kama sementi nyina ya tete so ye 76 Ghana cedis no.
Thank you. Yes, but while besa shas into mama fan count no way ye fruit time. Aha. Middle topic ma na obeka account preku. No I rebata na account. To we our time ni na media shim preku. Onya different rebata don benya mean anti medi nyina shim mama preku. So the next topic ye besha ase na mesha ase Africa boy ho. Ebe topic of the Office of the Special Prosecutor on a year former Minister of Finance.
Boss, Munia Wakasa Bibri, one man the opportunity so one kasa about say the every month be Ghana eka kosoro to the extent say Ghana could do 720.8 billion. Boss, Ojana Oedi say cement boa akofom a friend is saying to Jimmy or Mudi in this for the Oma dream one Adriani any more some because I'm was I say be do matter so more ye mosumo or Mudi Adriani any coco confirm in drying and I say or more policy no oh abe oh tihan more catch say yenya aban bi na o kan about akufa on wa post to share main country no yenya omo kasa omo aban bi oba ya teachers for omo chira there for how many months 3 years some months oba ye oti omo only 3 months ye ba ye legacy arrears ye betia omo mudie yenya aban bi omo his excellent John Dramani Mama 1 oba ya waka chire eye nursing and teacher training for say obetwa mo allowance mu nde obetwa mo otuna na otwa mu amomo automatic push obi awie obi abanya adwuma ye bi so mo say omo time no come the first John Dramani Mama 1 oba okoye no nipa dudu say na otimi post to ye nya the same ono ankasa the same his excellence John Dramani Mama na ankasa ebe ka kire Ghana foni na ye na say and they say teacher training for na mudidi 3 times in a day no he say umbe didi 1 eye ono anaban and then uko free uko senior high schools and you know mudi so mo de ma ankokọ ni nwan ni particular they reject it and now no na ma hu video bi a e ko viral me see hu aduane wache minim say yankwan yo say yestiwo bibia nim a mo de ma say free education ko so mundi under these people we are telling them what one we they say to Jimmy Abafom and we Abafom hwe then time na cement 80 cities under NPP 80 to 87 cities no now people were building amount for sika system no mu obia enya sika ekoto cement edisi dan and that cement na ba 76 na work and business say amount for do say na tibisi dan and the uko contract bia kana work and say chale aduma ni hono mo say chale sika ni hono yentua meka because the finance minister so sika no mu and that me no krampo eti hanu mo flood na kum Accra for no the World Bank for say the finance minister was sitting on the money. His failure to release the money to the contractors to go and work and a massive flood in the ecoso. What you want away the was and there what an audacity. At times, me share NDC for now or more audacity. No, Ankasana motivated to say Casano. But me sure say Dean wo kasa say a bro bag 4.5. Share yes a bro bag about 4.5 but and there for cameras neko ejura farms neko Kwame down so neko amanti bebi omudo abro bebre bi so mo say tractor na first na edo abro hectare ba ku bia 300 series to 400 series and that me do kasa swati na the same thing oti amanfo na omudo abro because bi so mo say and the price na conform na increase inti so obi eton abro under MPP 1000 per bag na and there obi a onu obodo kunu no the same previously no obodo kunu 5 cities na and there abro na ba 4.5 na obodo kunu 7 cities me no one useless government. One thinking about the ordinary Ghanaian, and there dokuni ye born 7 cities, but time na 1,000 na ye born 5 cities, and no they say, and yet you have the audacity to come and sit here and be claiming what? Then away always he said it indirectly. One be no ankase ye useless, but indirectly that's what you mean. Say you're incompetent. But and then about 4.5 but and then about 4.5. The same abrono dokuni na no born 5 cities, they born 7 cities. Nti me no one incompetent. The same farmer no fertilizer na auto no yenti so the same fertilizer that amount na auto they say come me bia ka so omni bia ka ho but he doesn't know onu kasa auto onim say on fa the phone no gaga me catch say the government of Ghana Accra 300,000 metric tons of maize serious and about anything na local government and I said the local farmer no omunto no nyama for na check na hwe bia unim you don't even know you come and sit there and you be ranting 300,000 metric tons which is equivalent to almost 300 million US dollars. And I'm going to buy it. Tio, me see, I know say any first time, but the situation whereby say one kasa a year 1 year say one kasa local farmers actually are producing enough to meet the demand and the need of the people in Ghana to the extent of export must you use 300 million US dollars to go and export 300,000 metric tons into the say the buyer or more price and the for mana. Inti he bibia yan the local farmer no the local farmer na and that's an bufu say on dia abro and on dia bayira on bibia na bibia say rely on foreign na yan omo ho. That is why I say omo any man price na farmer obi anya the energy what do you want to farming. All right, you understand? So what you are saying is you should stop ranting and then I can give him counselors of things omo buy ya omo timi anya and then yeah so you should put those things aside. You always peaceful boss. Yeah, that you got a hand to Abawie, isn't it? You to Abawie, no. And NDC for winning election. After winning the election, you to trust him, no Musha say to the sense say Omoko Obi a man for warehouse, Omoko Buye, a yin these things are all on cameras. And then I make they are all on cameras. Ewa hono omu yi ama ebimu fridge no mo so Accra, ebimu fertilizer, ebimu abro, no mo omu sesani na de ko. Omu de ko na mo say and you know, the former finance minister, that is Keno Foriata. Ako engage no ho certain things any kwase anka woye. According to financial loss to the state, isn't it? And you know, omu hia Keno Foriata ama na be yi nsembia no because ana Keno Foriata say okay. By now, ona kasa na pom dia enya okay. Nti no okọ amano ne akoje treatment, oje treatment we obeden. Obaba Ghana said the be bibia ebe because he will help and then he will help in your investigation. Say the baby be able to you. But all of a sudden, say Rainbow Star arrest. National security anyway. Omako invade we fear. Omako bu we fear. Omako say to the sense even Yankasa former governor for Bank of Ghana. Komuko ni fear ko bu. Yi ni nyoma yina ayo hono. Sorry. Omi yi ni nyoma yina ayo hono. Like na akwe say Keno Ferata, ehu di no, di pakura kasa so no ho emfa no. wakoye surgery na obi a wakoye surgery no boss ombra Ghana na mo jojo ni se mo jojo no owu susu e nti kero for that say no lawyers SK say bibia mo pe bia mo pese mo nya every kero for that one no do say or outside but he can still assist you to do your investigation and everything you want. And this is lawyer Martin Pebukrambo or no because say it is not vividly and I say and yet compulsory say I was a kino for that I was Ghana had no answer investigation bia or message here on him no match as here. I am not the one saying it. I am one lawyer Martin Pebunti open about to no rules in any no videos now where no. But your friend saying the OSP was it the bidder na ohia kino for that ewa Ghana physically onya no physical body ni physical soul ni bibia se onja na nim no muntutu no munjojo no se the Ghana for bia mo say kino for that ba na obo nyoma we omoye MPP for we amotechi omojojo mo nti we this is exactly so omojojo no nti wo hwa kino for that so e ka say no if this is the case there and they have to seek asylum at where I am because kino for that US can that mean you can say when you say the bank ewa Ghana hanuma eyejuma our businesses, our Ghana Hanma, our business, our employer man for they are being paid for every month. In January 6, 2026, Konofarata, ye detaining ICE, detaining our friends in Washington DC over the immigration status now also give for medical treatment, isn't it? That is on the January 6, 2026. January 20, 2026, closed door immigration hearing be equal about the Kinoforata proposed bill. On person of the man, bill condition on person of the man. Citing say, I'm a 20 new crop edit say, Keno Oforia Ata, ever pending extradition request from the OSP or Ghana, isn't it? Into no, or no, a bail condition on person of Muyin from IC, or Moon Enyade, or Moon Entimi and Manosa. In this US Judge David Gaddis, who the rulings now.
Yeah.
Was see, the court cannot act on assertion without what? Proof. Theo, as someone can say, US court, they cannot act on assertion without proof. And was see, he declined to make an immediate determination on extradition because no documentary evidence was presented. Sure. When they say omuchi kino for that ediku omu detaining for almost 90 days so we say dey e ka kire e da tori general any the OSP say omu fa evidence e kire say kino for that engage ni ho e wo certain things omu gidi say wa cause financial loss to the state omu fa mbra na omu de ba omu gina so den extradite no e de ba Ghana nti so hwa the US federal government FLA ordered the US federal government to file any evidence of an extradition request by February 19, 2026. In the hormona 18 February, ye OSP. What the documents be adequate? Say these are the documents. Ebe buama or matima extradite kilo for that. But according to Omo, US from Embrano, Omo say what the document about, but one prove any substance. It will make sense. Kilo for that engaging on any bad dealings our Ghana. Theo, was see the document was presented, but omo echo through the documentation, Oma who substance be a say keno forata adi boni bi as ha boni no e was say ye extradizing ediba Ghana. Inti based on that document no omo di ba no they see say it doesn't have any evidence enough to substantiate their claim. Say omodi say omodi keno forata ediba Ghana. Mini we are to any lawyers. Inti lawyers ne kasa.
Okay.
Inti no omuka sawie no na say kino for that I was say omuma no bail condition isn't it? Na the immigration process any sa wanted list ni nyoma nyoma na omedi ne tu na say omu kwashi ni na omu kasi ni na omu boni na gu because omu hwe before say obi betima extradite obi dia bro no. Na wo proof wo evidence say the pakro ebia wako sign contract we na contract na wako sign ye no the pakro agisi say evident wo horma sika na woji ye no akosu financial loss to the state say nti say no for example to say abutrika issue na mo extradite no say enye just ndc time we no mo sha se me bo omo sha se wo MPP time person omo extradite omo na ye catch omo say ye ntimi emfa enkwara na emfa mama because we don't have any evidence and as a mum evidence that move provide my no nya idea etintimo ete say ye betuma extradite ye citizen e mamu na say before say betuma extradite no ko e was say mo be pa Africa for ni na che na mo compensate ye based on ye na no mbeti o mo koye before say betuma people so koye ba mo ba ye no omunya di issue no ba ye na ma extradite nti with Kenoforeta issue no the evidence na US court epe ediama Kenoforata oma bone dia bagana say the be oba bisa oba be answer questions no according to them and some na the OSP e de koye no substance be anim nti wo hwa wo say OSP ni kwabo oni attorney general on say na say na ase omo some back and forth be man be omo ye no so enye na
special prosecutor
I'm telling you, hope I be too no one fair Kwame. Yes, what about you? Like that, young woman from Belgium. If you walk, come on, lock in. At the end, young woman, someone chamber be a follow. My chamber be a follow. It's more thing. Because I think I always be a form. So that, and then the other time I said, if you are 4 years, papa, if you are 4 years, who's your 4? It's the over can be a moment. On my Punibia bar, or drink Timon. Timon or young one say, at the end of war, never one day. I move on time, I want to services. Here, what of services?
One about the services. Oh, boy,
tell you on record,
I know no Christmas.
System now. Now we look at a 5 and the course say about 7. Oba, I have young throne. With Mamma, Nippon 20. I go for the time which I 1 year young Tomoka. I'm telling you 20. Nippon 20. And when the Miami was your 4, Miami Crow 4. I have Tomoka for 1 year. You're chilling them with your mom 3 months. With my money for 20. Now that will be a fair mass. Mass no bow with your Pomuzano. So you will not go say, call what's that, dear. Every village is almost for 1 year. I am one of your friends.
Masa Obua is always been as a Obua.
So I only
Obua, they can Obua, Masa Obua, always been as a
no young and Trono. Nagana for your pentro this time. Your evidence base, and then I'll count. Can't use and back. No crown away the Oka.
Always been red.
A more joa. Only Dean went to be. Only Dean. First, I can say, or quack or near the Abusiabu. You can't get your percentage. At the end, you pass it to him. At the end, they put a greater percentage. So that's it.
Mobile Kwame Danso,
one can always be a some no. I just crump on our Miani.
It's because almost said, or bar, or better than this one. On kind of crank to move on to move no way because more. No, I was in Mukano. Minimum said that you walk out. Fatrada no account with no more good. Kwame
Danso.
No account on the good, your friends, your shadows, and then one time I'll be a 40.
Maybe the count,
on count.
Me who
why consume your time, Nina?
The time in answer.
Yet, night to Memua. Anna, I'm a Moses side. Say, I'm a Moses side. We are back in Jensen. Uniform. Now, what about Virginia? You saw what clear was a uniform. You buy it and somewhere in the ball. A Kenoforeta, you the SMS contract. You can't ask them. You say one camouflage, Yakos, one military. You the GRA tax refund account. You can't ask them. Ambulance procurement, you can't ask them. As an ECG. And yes, Bra. We need one year. Boss, who are he? Nah, and then we are more so pay. If we do a tell me, not say we are. Not say your friend, when you are say, oh, Bra. It will no one be one my moms are here near her. Bra never change him. Say, you're not fire her. Oh, my. Oh, my him. But if you born with you know, I have my friend will be journey than it's if you like a Rubriata, you know. And I'll change it, and I say, a friend say, a governor, someone no can. And you say, immigration, you know, deal now, no come as more the court one. Just a Ghana, Friata bar, we use. The home wants us in Timu. Yes, I did. Where's the evidence of the coin? I'm watching and say, ebi a criteria bi won ma oyin a wa fa ama eti sa no me gina so na me jai kan ofuriata na wako so what you say eti se me eti mo ni na me tia no ma me so me kasa me ka che OSP and say the investigation no onye dey o mari go into details
okay
also ma clear evidences say ofuriata e bra no finance minister enu mo ba ku mienu miensa we ana oye ya e che say odifo no bra no me dey o me clear no but the me ya say so ni so onya kromfo a ade na udane ade na umba ade na mete o manwa na umba court ni emuza on se mi na unchem se mi oforiata Ghana musika me humom no o ka mi na da matem na mo ye finance minister na mo ponkon why na bo ko so mo ponkon o mo kwa to force ho o mo ponkon why o fa so a o se o man no na bia wo to ye ma bibia ko so kama o mo kwa to force ho no ko sia sa no manoma no.
Let us say
a
minute on minority case on won't to me just a minute on it.
Oh, minority me who's on your press conference and
I didn't say.
Oh yes, I am because CSA actually to me. Now when you say camouflage biakoso and I say contrast biakoso na they can answer na appeal court Supreme Court kona kwa appeal ukoni yetie wasem ni emzo wampa we na the judge na obu ajama utumi case no no share this atade etikofi a se na ko independent body na ye aduma so what you say e no na ye omo ti ase na say enzo to e sama boy for wa hu ezo inform dan nyina o ezo inform dan nyina kuro mu nya ba bi no ma na ntiafa ni nyina fi utumi so what you say ni nyina fi utumi we witnesses a wo ko ye utumi kra de wo ko ye no witnesses no dia se ma ko ka utumi o mo za ko ka bu no so se wo boa garamse wo ye and the court amana 20 years obi afanye suade enam ye ndisi ni a no obi ye ndisi ni wo ya ponti a onfanye suade enye garamse wo asem kwa na ye ka kire ho o si etutu ho fufu se oba ni ye ma wakonya ne se bra ne be se wo man na e wo se wo di pepepe ye no kredie ebu o man because tell wo ne te be etene and then this na wo so wo tell me bi beba it is all your woman who I for pay and yaduma, and as I was obeying them say, they are saying so, they are saying, oh, my now. I dare bet you, who you come for because Emra, any political colors. Emra, be any man be this. Name a individual body now to deal with. So it's independent body and a yaduma. The other before her. That's what Moon say, yes, I
Thank you. So send here, pepe. Oh yes, then
boss.
Yes, sir.
On win to me issue. So sure, say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama was say he admitted that some of his own appointees are involved in Galamsey. Tamna one media na committee omo kasano. Ndishade we was he court find Atiwa East DCE NS in team 12,000 in Galamsey related case. Court evidence. Court evidence. Says, sir, that is the Atiwa East DCE is engaged in Galamsey. Into Omuka Chin, no. Our modern Koshi more money back and forth, no. Or many court in a court in finding only 12,000. Ojano. Tio, task for Galamsey joint news investigation. Or see. That is 9 February 2026. Or see, task for Galamsey joint news investigation revealed Amansia Central DCE Emmanuel Obin Ajiman set up task force charging 3,000 Ghana cedi for transferring machine and 30,000 for excavators. Joint news and investigation about oh me. Well, look, me kasa odin who shame. I am telling you, and a boss. So these are certain things. What say? Next time I will do the same thing to him, and then he will see how it is. Or can one say me man kasa? So I will do the same thing to him next time. And as Adanse, that is Adanse. Is it Adanse Asokwa? Oko in Ashanti region here. At the back of an agenda 111 hospital, Galamsey Air Koso, Ama TV3 join news, Eco investigation about intermediate make can you say, Argentina. ebi mu eye galamse chama utumi kwa na matu money dia si ne se onu kwa na
0548931931 hello good morning
Minia.
yes sir
Edino gusua ya
junior baumia ma menti ominia
ye time die e kwa kwa oh
junior
I me chama ya chama usumensa maintain because my son kwanta yonto yaba no order number 2 na mentia yewa asantema kuka order number 1 eno na coverting na wo nipa everybody emere wan kokora mrantenem ayi ketesie di man yaki wo gwini awi order number 1 DKM so order number 3 organizer over na lawyer bonchichi so order number 1 bunu se wode ma menka bi na wade admetam da ka to aso na menia se yeti oman mu na se NDC for no ebe nya atum se de mu yeyi a se ya na beko because se de na yewa menia MPP ni e ka no e ko ba ne sen e na obi akwakodi concession e na wode ama obi se won kata so na nipa kon de aye galamsey nipa na oye galamsey de ye nkonkochi no ai jeli no lebom de onde ayinima on kata so no ade ben kata so no de adane galamsey enti ye kini pakro ibi sa se se me ye fiwa na se me de dan e ma han na obi nipa na de dana ma no okofo obi ade a me ye fiwa me ye kimi ana ebi ba bi a mo me hwa sanse mo esu na political which antena and the first year esari tribune akwa be ka ho no ye hunu se omoduma na mo ye no omuntimi ye so Ghana fo ani entia kata le maso amwa amelina me treasure woba
mera asibaumia thank you junior baumia thank you for birthdays ni to so na waka begina me konso idie wa wani tua happy birthday to Vicentia Afre Nyamiche, aka Ya Adepa. You are now 12 years old. May you grow in grace and power from your mom, Anita Tei. So, Vicentia, 12 years old, and she's growing in the glory of God. Happy birthday, Nyamiche. Nyame de wache o mami ampa. Ama Anita, o mami Anita, o do, o si nyame shaw. No nyo kese kopim so be o kese pa happy birthday gini be panyi kese wati afi happy birthday to Olele from Scouts Nana Ama Adipa so Olele happy birthday Olele say America hasn't no Olele Olele happy birthday beautiful one so beautiful obaku nyamisha no nyo kese nyame mo akoma so ade nyina embrem nyame franfra adom kwa adom may this year bring miracles and surprises for you. Happy glorious birthday. And a special birthday to Esther Obuo at Truth Pub and Lunch Breman UGC from Ketchobi. So today being your birthday, happy glorious birthday, beautiful one. May the hard work brings more fruit to your table. And I will then nyame sure don't you can say on franfra dumu enkwa dumu. Today is your birthday, Esther Obuo. Enjoy your day. And happy birthday, Elson Koma Insiesie Hine Yaopoku of Shaft 98.1 FM Obuase. Insiesie Hine Obo Juma papa. Ya berma nyame ensure no nyo kese. Nyame fra dumu enkwa dumu. Yes. Shaft for you a very good morning to you. Minya nyame enche washim. Happy birthday. And happy birthday to Kekeli. Hey, Zedina Mande Edo. We Obeka say Kekeli. But oh yeah, what Americans say Kekeli. Kekeli. Happy birthday. I guy pal. You said no see John. Oh, very handsome. May God open your understanding and be different from your mate in Jesus' name, from your mom and dad, Mr. and Mrs. Fianyedu of the Prophetic Hill Church. Auntie Kekeli, happy birthday to you. Yamin Chawashim. Yami Omenyansano. Omani first. Mommy and daddy loves you so much. The entire congregation of Church Hill so adore. And to be proud of yourself, although you are special. Happy birthday, young champ. On that note, me for some Nisiana Sports for and tena say Ember the power anopay. So jinam gidi walk don't predictable so jinam anopay anopay mame ka same way na me sorry. Mesramu DJ K Masa memma mo ma sha se share brante we video no munyai bemma de banyo mam say ya masa etimi tu obi a yemfonso na aba ke onku nipa onye hwe munya no na o ma na somdwo no yemfonso na ba ye de mo wa hihye mo de mo kura ye meto abontintra do ye advice say me de meka me ye yi afon kura me pese bebe me na manya ko na kam to say me de video me di mo a na me di mo me ye me ya me pedede ke asem na ye maka bi I love him he's so good dynamic in radio DJ K enye we na bebu abembro move on e de be pajamas betwam minister bishop pajamas ye na masa onye eboni nku obi a wate ema we ema okra mafom koso ana ye de nyame se beye mesam mo mfa nche na mfoso wo obi a ho e wo obi a ho na memma mo sha de na aje chese oh ya asamba munya abotre wate na atopam mu bi bu odam nya atopaketwa ti masa beso why mfonso e me deso aba bontia be pacho a chop and Ghana for nyina nsom ne mfancho nyame show bibia no tin anim che frame still the undisputed na Kwame Nkwantabisa nyame show bibia samre de emba otenase na kroma edin sports no etwaso